Have you ever been denied credit for something you thought you absolutely qualified for? Maybe it was your dream apartment, a sweet new car, or even that perfect summer vacation. It can be a frustrating experience, leaving you wondering what went wrong. Well, chances are, your credit score played a big role in that decision. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that reflects your financial history, telling lenders how responsible you are with borrowed money. It impacts everything from loan approvals and interest rates to insurance premiums and even job applications. The good news? You have the right to access your credit report for free, and understanding its contents can empower you to take control of your financial well-being. Today, we're diving into Borrowell, a free Canadian platform that can help you access your credit report and understand your credit score. Whether you're a credit newbie or a seasoned borrower looking to improve your score, Borrowell can be a valuable tool in your financial toolbox. So, how exactly do you download Borrowell? Here's the thing, Borrowell itself isn't a downloadable program, but a web-based platform you can access through your internet browser. But fear not, getting started is a breeze. First things first, grab your computer or smartphone and head over to Borrowell's website. Just search for Borrowell online. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface. Now, you'll need to create an account. The sign-up process is super quick and only requires some basic information like your name, email address, and a password you can easily remember. Here's the beauty of Borrowell. Unlike some other credit monitoring services, you won't need to provide your credit card details or social insurance number, SIN, to sign up. That's right, completely free. Once you've created your account, you'll be whisked away to your Borrowell dashboard. This is your central hub where you can find all things related to your credit health. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, accessing your credit report. Look around your dashboard and you'll see a section dedicated to your credit report. Borrowell partners with Equifax, one of Canada's major credit bureaus, to provide you with your full Equifax report. Downloading it is a simple process. Just locate the Download Your Credit Report button, typically found near the top right corner of your screen. With a single click, your report will be downloaded as a secure PDF file. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is in a credit report? It's a detailed breakdown of your credit history, including things like your payment history on loans and credit cards, any outstanding debts, and public records like bankruptcies, if applicable. Reviewing your report regularly helps you identify any errors or discrepancies that could be bringing down your score. Borrowell doesn't just give you your report, they also help you understand it. Their platform provides insights and explanations for each section, making it easy to decipher even the most complex financial jargon. But Borrowell goes beyond just reports. They offer a plethora of free tools and resources to help you improve your credit score. They break down the factors that affect your score and provide personalized recommendations to boost those numbers. Plus, you can set up alerts to notify you of any changes to your credit report, keeping you on top of your financial health. Remember, a good credit score opens doors to a brighter financial future. With Borrowell, you have the power to monitor your credit, understand your score, and take steps to improve it. It's a free and valuable tool that can empower you to make informed financial decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.